Hey guys, a fundamental part of your stream is your Twitch bio, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create great looking Twitch panels for free and without the need for any image editing software. We will be using StreamShift's Twitch Panel Maker. Let's get into it. First, you'll want to visit streamshift.site. I'll leave the link in the description. You'll then want to navigate to the Panel Maker page by using the navbar and hovering over the Stream Store button. Alternatively, you can just search on Google StreamShift Panel Maker and click on the first result. Here you can select from our growing range of free panel designs. Note that you can customize the features of each panel, so if your preferred colors aren't in the product image, don't worry. Select a design and view its customized page. Play with the colors and designs until you're ready to download your panel. If you haven't got a StreamShift account, you'll be prompted to share the site on your socials or enter your email. And then you can download as many panels as you need and upload them to your Twitch bio for free. And that's the end of this tutorial. By using these panels, you're joining thousands of other streamers worldwide doing the same thing. Finally, we would love to hear from you. Comment below your favorite panel and leave us a like or sub if you found this resource helpful. For every 50 likes, I'll release a new free panel template. Thank you.